Got a 2006 Ford Explorer with a 4.0. We're gonna replace the alternator. This is really easy to do. Disconnect the battery terminals. I just disconnected the negative, but it's best to just go ahead and disconnect the positive too. So what you're gonna need to do is, I got a ratchet right here. I got a long, almost like a breaker bar ratchet that you put on the belt tensioner right there, and then you push it counterclockwise like this. That'll release the belt tension, and then you can just slide the belt off of the alternator like that. And then we're gonna have 1, 2, and 3 13mm bolts, and we got this 10mm nut and this wiring harness for the alternator. To access those 2 bolts, this airbox is gonna be kind of in the way, so just disconnect the airbox and just kind of tuck it in to the side like that. And then you can use your extension with a 13mm socket. This is, I already broke it loose. Take that off. When you remove that airbox, you should have plenty of room after that. Okay, and this one right here, that's a 10mm. Take your bolts out. Make sure you don't lose the bolts. Now we have 2 connectors. You got 1, 2. This one you need something to pry it open and then pull it out. This one right here, you can pry it off from there and then just kind of slide it out. Small, flat. So what you need to do to take this off is you're gonna have to slide it in between that clip and just kind of pry it out a little bit and then push it out. This one's broken, so all I did was kind of give it a good nudge like that and it came out. And there is your alternator. Very easy. Takes about 20-30 minutes. Put the new one in reverse order, then hook up your battery cables, start the car, check the, you should be getting about 14 volts while the car's running, 13.8 to 14. Yep, this video helps you, click like. Got any questions, comment below. Just subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.